How to start investing with just $100. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you missed out on building wealth. Your friends are talking about their growing portfolios, while you're still waiting for the right time to start investing. But here's the thing. What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start? You can begin with just $100. Yep, only $100. Most people believe investing is only for the rich, or that you need a ton of cash to even get started. But that's not true. The biggest mistake you can make is thinking you can't invest because you don't have enough money. In fact, the real risk is doing nothing at all. Think about this. If you're just sitting on your cash, or worse, spending it on things you don't need, you're letting time slip by, and time is the most powerful tool in investing. So how do you get started with just $100? It's simpler than you think. Here's how you can break it down. First, consider putting $25 into an ETF. These are funds that let you invest in the stock market without picking individual companies. It's like getting a piece of the whole market, and the best part? You don't need to be a stock-picking genius to benefit. Next, take another $25 and look for high-growth stocks. These are companies that have the potential to grow rapidly over time. Think about the companies everyone's talking about. Those could be your ticket to serious growth. Then take $25 and set it aside for something safer, like bonds or a high-interest savings account. That way, if the stock market takes a dip, you've still got something secure to fall back on. And lastly, invest the final $25 in yourself. Yes, you heard me right, yourself. Whether it's learning more about investing, taking a course, or just building habits that help you grow, investing in yourself will always pay off. Now I know what you're thinking. What difference is $100 going to make? But here's the truth. When you invest even a small amount, you're creating a habit. And more importantly, you're letting your money work for you. With the power of compounding, that $100 has the potential to turn into much more over time. The key is to stay consistent and keep investing, because the earlier you start, the bigger your returns can be. Here's the catch. Waiting for the perfect time or thinking you need more money will only set you back. Time in the market beats timing the market, and every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. The question is, are you ready to start building your future, or are you going to let another day pass by without taking action? So what are you waiting for? Take that first step and invest your $100 today. You don't need to be an expert, and you don't need a fortune to get started. All it takes is consistency, patience, and action. If you want to learn more about how that small investment can grow exponentially over time, check out my next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.